Friends, I've been changing my 4Runner's oil twice so far, and both of the times I had problem on the order, like what part I need to take it off, and people, we forget. So for that, I'm making this video. I already put everything, like around. Now I'm gonna show you, but I'll show you the order, what to do and what not to do. Okay, now let's. The first thing you're gonna be doing is taking this front plastic cover off. That is for sure, you need to take it off, and that is right here in the front of the 4Runner right here. So that's the first thing. Okay, the second thing you're gonna be doing is taking off is this, then I think it's called skid plate. You're gonna unscrew the bolts, and there are hooks right there, and there's another one right there. So the hooks are actually holding it after you take the screws off, but make sure don't this part fall on you, but it will swing right here with the hooks. So when it comes to that point that it swings, just lift it up and move it from the hooks. So after you take this part off too, so these are, you have to, because this is where the filter is. And the another thing is this plate, you don't need to take this plate off. So that second time I made the same mistake. Instead, there is this little area, there is another small plate. That's what you're gonna be actually taking off, which is, it's right there, you can see it. So that's all you need to take it off to unplug the oil, the bolt, to drain it. That's pretty much all. You have 3 covers to take it off: this plastic in the front, and the skid plate, and that little cover where you unplug the oil. Don't do this, okay? This stays where it is. And let's come to now the filter section. The 4Runner has this, it's called element filter, I guess. So it's not typical filter. You need to take this cover off. In order to take it off, you need this tool for sure. So this is what you need. Otherwise, it's pretty tough to take it off because it's kind of plastic. It's not aluminum. Even if it's aluminum, it's pretty tight. So but before you take this thing off, you'll be seeing this part with this on it. So the first thing you're gonna be doing is, before you actually remove this thing, you're gonna unscrew this. You're gonna take this little thing off. When you take it off, when you get actually your oil from AutoZone or wherever, it comes with this tool with sets of these rings, and so you're gonna be replacing those two. But this thing is, after you take this aluminum thing off, this is what you're gonna be sticking this thing here. Of course, this is upside down, right? Because you didn't take it off yet. And you're gonna screw it. Be careful when you like screw it. It will eventually trigger, push some mechanism over there to drain the filter oil. So it will start pouring from here to down, of course, like upside down, like that. Okay, so after it's completely drained, then you're gonna be using this tool. This tool has some gaps, like 1, 2, 3. So those are coming right here. So you're gonna kind of unscrew this using those gaps. So don't use it on other parts. It has to there. After you take it off, the next step is to replace this ring, which is coming with the deal. But make sure you put an oil on it, rub it with your fingers. And after you replace that one, and you're gonna be putting the new filter, like new filter goes inside. Actually, I'm gonna be cleaning. After that, I'm gonna be putting it but I just want to make this video before that. So after put that filter on the other side, the small ring goes right there, and make sure you also rub with your finger. So this one goes over there, and then after you put this one back and put everything, you know, together and put it back. That's that easy. So these are the steps. I know that I didn't show you the whole process, but at least you know what to do and what not to do. There is one more thing that I'm gonna mention. When you actually take the you know, that the oil plug out, it just pours so you know, badly, so it must splash on your face. So just get all kinds of protections and, you know, glasses, and maybe like extender. So this thing is, you know, even though I, you know, like put all the way on this plug, there's enough gap here, but the oil is pouring so badly that it was going to overflow on almost. I was lucky it didn't. But just make sure that get some kind of extender to this, so it wouldn't be messy. Okay, that's it, I think. Yeah, there's one more thing, just to not to confuse you. This is a typical, you know, the standard, the screw thread, you know, rule. It's clockwise is tighten it up, and unclock. So when you want to take it out, so you're just going to use the same rule, unclockwise. Okay, so this way unscrews, this way screws, just to let you know, because, you know, because of this section you might think maybe the rule could be different because it's so tight. You know, I just want to share with you as well.